Understand what a Brazilian wax is. Covers complete hair removal from the pubic region, can be done at home with proper preparation, requires patience and technique for the best results. 2. Choose the right wax type. Hard wax is best for sensitive areas. Sugar wax is a natural alternative. Avoid soft wax as it can be too harsh. 3. Gather your supplies: wax hard or sugar wax, waxing strips, spatula, and a heater, aloe vera gel or post-wax oil for aftercare. 4. Trim the hair to the right length. Ideal length: 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Too short equals wax won't grip. Too long equals more painful. 5. Cleanse and exfoliate the skin. Use mild soap to remove oils. Exfoliate with a gentle scrub to prevent ingrown hairs. Dry the area completely before waxing. 6. Test the wax temperature. Wax should be warm, not hot. Apply a small amount to your wrist first. Avoid burns by adjusting the temperature accordingly. 7. Apply wax in small sections. Work in small patches for better control. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth. Leave a thicker edge for easier removal. 8. Pull the skin taut before removing wax. Reduces pain and prevents bruising. Helps remove hair more efficiently. Always hold skin tight with one hand. 9. Remove wax quickly and correctly. Pull against hair growth in one swift motion. Keep the strip parallel to the skin, not upward. Breathe out as you pull to manage pain. 10. Work in sections for even results. Start from the outside and move inward. Avoid overlapping waxed areas. Work efficiently, but carefully. 11. Check for missed spots. Use tweezers for stray hairs. Avoid rewaxing the same spot too many times. Apply ice to reduce irritation. 12. Soothe the skin immediately. Apply aloe vera or post-wax oil. Avoid touching the area with dirty hands. Wear loose clothing to prevent friction. 13. Avoid common mistakes. Don't wax over the same spot multiple times. Don't use hot wax on broken or irritated skin. Don't expose the area to hot showers or sun for 24 hours. 14. Prevent ingrown hairs. Exfoliate gently 48 hours after waxing. Use tea tree oil or salicylic acid to prevent bumps. Avoid tight underwear immediately after waxing. 15. Know when to take a break. If the skin is too red, stop waxing. Pain is unbearable. Take a break. If there's avoid waxing that area further. 16. Post-waxing skincare routine: use fragrance-free moisturizers. Avoid scrubbing for 48 hours. Stay hydrated to help skin heal faster. 17. How often to wax? Ideal frequency: every 3-4 weeks. Hair will grow back thinner over time. Consistent waxing makes the process less painful. 18. When to seek professional help: if experiencing severe irritation or allergic reaction, if struggling with thick, coarse hair removal, if unsure about DIY waxing, visit a professional. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.